Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to change call background in your Android phone. So at first open up your phone app and then tap on three dots. Then go to settings. Now from here go to call background. After that tap on background. Now from here you can change your call background. You can set any call background from here. If you want to add this call background, just tap here and then tap on set as call background. And that's it. Now you can see in my phone call background has been changed successfully. Now if you tap on background again. Now if you want to add more call background from your gallery, just tap on this plus icon. Now from here you can set any picture as call background. If you want to set this picture, just tap here and then open it and then tap on set as call background, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change call background in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.